In today's Excel lesson, we will learn how to calculate your age. So here is an Excel spreadsheet to calculate the age. You can see this. This is the if this is the if it is your date of birth, and you want to calculate up to today what is your age. That means this is the formula to calculate the age. So in the formula bar you can see here dated if E17, that means this one, this date of birth, comma F17, comma within double inverted Y, bracket close, space and space, within double inverted comma Y space. So Y space Y space, because suppose in this case it is 32 years, so 32 after 32 Y I want to keep a space. That's why in this space after Y there is a space. And similarly for the month also M space, and for the D last day after D I don't want any space, so that's why there is no space after D. So this is the formula. This formula is something critical, but once it is copied, then with the help of this formula you can calculate anybody's age. Suppose here if your date of birth is suppose 1st December 1998, so you will see here the age will change. You see now the age is 24 years 3 months 21 days. So suppose this is 06, then the month is changed. So this is the formula. And now if you want to segregate the age as like this year, month and day, there is separate formula, small formula over here. You can see dated equals to dated if within bracket this DOB comma second date, that means today's date, comma within double quote Y and bracket close. Then you can get the year. Y means year, so you can get the year. After that month, to calculate the month, so the same formula, only thing instead of Y here YM, you have to type YM. And for day you need to mention MD. So in case of month you can notice here, in case of month it was YM, and for date it is MD. So this day is coming. You can change the date of birth, suppose 85, sorry I need to change the date here, suppose 21st December, then you can say day 1. So 30 like this you can segregate the year, month and day also of your age. Or you can get in a consolidated form 24 years 9 months 21 days in a single format, in a single cell. So this is how to calculate the age with the help of a spreadsheet.